Well, get ready for another episode of Accredian's Data Bytes series. I am your host Masim and I'm here to provide you with the latest updates in the world of AI and technology. But before we dive in, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click on that notification bell, and be the first one to be notified every time we post a new update. Well, this week the world has been abuzed with mind blowing AI news and innovations. From Dubai Police launching its first ever self driving security patrols showcased at the GiTex Global 2023 to the notable speed enhancements in ChatGPT 4 and lots more, we are diving into this week's AI inspired stories. Dubai Police introduces self-driving security patrol at GiTex Global 2023. At the GiTex Global 2023, Dubai Police unveiled a cutting-edge self-driving security patrol designed to enhance the safety in residential neighborhoods. Lieutenant Rashid bin Haider from the General Department of Administrative Affairs introduced this eco-friendly electric patrol vehicle to the audience. With a battery life of up to 15 hours and a cruising speed of 5 to 7 kilometers per hour, it is ideal for residential areas. The primary aim is to bolster security coverage in these zones. The patrol is equipped with a high-tech 360-degree camera, smart technology, and AI for identifying criminal activity, individuals, and license plates. Additionally, it has direct communication capabilities for real-life coordination with Dubai Police's Command and Control Center. Lieutenant Rashid also highlighted the inclusion of an onboard drone, expanding security presence in these residential areas. ChatGPT 4 faster and more efficient than ever. In recent months, significant speed improvements have been observed in GPT-4, especially when compared to its predecessor, GPT 3.5. Data reveals a consistent decrease in response time for GPT-4, although the speed may vary based on the complexity of the request. It dissects the response time into three components: the round trip time, the queuing time, and the processing time, all of which may vary depending upon the request's complexity and length. Interestingly, longer requests don't always translate to slower responses. For instance, a 204 token request would require a quick 4.5-second response if it is straightforward, while a complex 33 token request may take up to 32 seconds. When comparing medium request latencies, both GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 maintain average time under 1 millisecond per token. However, when focusing on the 99th percentile of slower requests, the latencies in GPT 4 have decreased by more than half in just 3 months, making a significant improvement. Despite being slightly more expensive to use, GPT 4 has effectively eliminated the lag for a majority of requests. Midjourney enhances AI art resolution with upscaling feature. Midjourney has introduced a game-changing feature that significantly enhances the resolution of AI-generated art. Previously limited to 1024 into 1024 pixels, these images were ideal for web use, but unsuitable for larger prints. Now users can upscale their images by 2x or 4x, achieving a maximum resolution of 4096 into 4096 pixels, known as the K quality. This feature offers versatility, allowing for different aspect ratios. For example, a 16:9 image upscaled by 4x results in an impressive resolution of 5824 into 3264 pixels. These enhancements mean that AI-generated images can now be printed at larger sizes without sacrificing the clarity of these images. However, upscaling does not come with a trade-off. It requires more time, with 4x upscaling taking 2 to 3 minutes. Additionally, since Midjourney charges based on the processing time, upscaling may consume a larger portion of the consumer's monthly image generation charges. Customers have the option to pay for additional processing time if needed. It is important to note that in very rare cases, 4x upscaling may result in black or corrupted images, but it won't enhance blurry images during upscaling. Shark Tank deal elevates AI platform Botted. In a recent Shark Tank episode, Maurice and Joe Griffin from Los Angeles presented Botted, a platform using AI to streamline tasks like scheduling and reservations. They faced a lot of debate due to their feature offering quick access to concert tickets and sneakers. Michael Rubin, Fanatics CEO, acknowledged bought issues in merchandise resale, but Maurice and Joe argued that tech combats that. Mark Cuban offered $150,000 for a 20% stake, and Michael Rubins proposed $50,000 for 15% stake. They eventually secured a joint deal of $300,000 for 30% equity, marking a significant milestone for Botted with support from two billionaire investors. Anthropic expands global access to Claude AI in 95 countries. Anthropic has broadened the global access to Claude AI platform, now available to users in 95 countries. With its vast memory, 100,000 token context window, and file upload capability, Claude, introduced in July, has garnered millions of users. It empowers users for data analysis, enhances writing skills, and facilitates interactions with books and academic papers. This expansion enables users across these countries to utilize both the free version and Claude Pro, with a focus on boosting productivity. Anthropic is dedicated to responsible expansion, promising more updates in the near future. Well, that's a wrap of this week's AI news. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click on that notification bell, and be the first one to be notified every time we post a new update. For more such updates, keep watching Data Bytes. I will see you soon.